gentlemen, it's a balmy 44 degrees in Southeast Michigan, which means getting the car out. We've got a little cars and coffee action this weekend, as you can probably tell by the title. Obviously, it has not happened yet in real life. We're prepping for it. Platinum Motorcars is hosting a cars and coffee in early February, so I'm excited to show up, see what kind of cars are there first off, because it's not good weather at all. Honestly, it's the least cold day it's going to be this week today, and it's going to get down into the 30s and even 20s again, I think, here in the next couple days. We're taking advantage of the warm weather today. We're getting the car looking spotless, and then we'll see what's going on with cars and coffee. I get home at 5:30 and the sun's going to set at like 5:40, so we'll see how much daylight we get to wash the car. But here we go. Let's get a little cold start, shall we? All right, we got about a 15-minute drive. We're gonna get there shortly after it starts, so hopefully there's some parking. If I'm correct, this is not their actual Platinum Motorcars, like where they are. It also could be, I don't know. We've been there in the summer for Woodward Dream Cruise, but not since, so I guess we'll see who comes out. It's dry. It is 33 degrees, but I guess we'll see when we get there. Wow, Woodward's dead on this side. Offer for Jessica to wear the Audi jacket today, but she is not for the culture, so she declined. All right, so PMC is like right off here, but their warehouse, like the actual out of office garage area, is they have like a warehouse where all their out of office garage, like the mezzanine and all the lifts, we've been there before, so that's where this must be. Holy moly, look at these potholes. Jesus.
Oh, the video's a little shaky.
I guess we're gonna follow these people, huh? The heck? They got the luxury van set up. That's sick. Red or blue?
Got blue.
I dig the blue too. I like the 992 wing.
Just matching the trash can.
We were directed to park right in front, so that's kind of cool. We literally have this spot. If we need to move later, I guess we will, but for the time being, it works out great. Oh, that's sick. So you want to go inside or outside first?
Inside.
Inside, let's check it out.
You've had Tim Hortons before.
Yeah, wait.
You keep saying you haven't had Tim Hortons before. You don't know what it is.
I said Tim Hortons isn't in Michigan.
Yes, it is.
Well, now I guess it is.
You've had it before.
So I spy an Aventador Roadster. We're going to go check that out right now.
What are these vans?
Yeah, these vans are kind of crazy. I want to see these later too. So since we were here last, they installed all these lifts, which like are triple stacked.
They're really cool.
Yeah, this is sick. Oh, and this one's for sale. Ooh. You got Turbo S, Aventador, and an 812. Yeah, I know. We told him we were gonna meet him here. Howdy, howdy.
What up, Kev G?
Good to see you, man. So we got some of the sick like SUV dailies. We have a G63, and then a 4x4. Yeah, it's definitely a 4x4 because it's got this carbon and it's freaking gigantic.
That is so cool.
Take a video of me next to this thing.
Hey, so we got Kev G.
And I'm 6'8", so now you know.
Wait, it's all about the angle.
That's crazy. That's a crazy spec too. All the carbon. That's wild, man. And it's just overshadowing the sick green. So early favorite for coolest car here, probably this RSQ8. I gotta see what color this is. And then that Aventador just propped right up front. It's crazy. Oh wait, I didn't even see this red Urus. What the heck? I gotta go check this. And the GT2 RS George. What the heck? Holy cow. This is full racing spec. That's crazy. We do, man. The Ford GT kind of chilling in the corner. GTR. A lot of these cars, I feel like, are just going underappreciated. There's the office garage SF90 is over there as well. The green one, which we've seen before. What do we have up here? We have a little GT3 RS with gold wheels. I'm telling you, man, the sneaky ones are a little hidden. And then it looks like GT4 RS. This thing's just lurking, man.
Yeah, I would drive that.
Yeah,
I would drive that.
1,000 horsepower.
Definitely doesn't suck.
No. It's RSQ8 though.
I like that color.
Me too. I like this GT4 RS,
Yeah.
but you can't really see it.
I'd
that
probably
well.
drive that. If I had to.
Is that an 812? Holy moly. Oh, here they have it. Yeah, tucked away. 992 GT3 RS. This was the same one that was at Woodward as well. I'm like ADHD fully right now. Like, I see something shiny. It's because I've been deprived of car stuff. It's the middle of winter.
Oh, yeah.
So, is that a cappuccino?
Wait. Cappuccino.
Cappuccino.
Triple F Collection has one of these too. It's literally the Maybach, which is the Cappuccino.
Cappuccino.
And then there's an R8 right above it. And then this thing right next to it. No shortage of cool cars here, ladies and gents. We hit the jackpot. What do we have? Just like the most luxurious cruising, basically a private jet, but interior. We have like fully electric RV. All right, I think we're gonna venture outside and see what else arrived. Because we got here at like 9:20 and somehow got this parking spot. I have no idea how, but it has gotten very busy. Looks like we have some other goodies that showed up here. Huracan outside. That's the other YouTuber, Josh Lawrence.
Oh, no.
This is like fully straight piped. I want to see it. He took the wrap off. It had a wild wrap on it. Still NA, no turbos yet. It looks like, but
That's
it's
nice.
sick. Look at how it's a custom chassis mounted wing. That's fun, man. Now I feel like we're stuck. Getting out of here is gonna be a pain, but we can do it. Oh, I like it. Wait, the plate is yours? That's so sick. Red on the RS5. Nice. Love that color. Boy, that's some clearance, my guy.
That's good plate.
Holy cow.
Oh, yeah.
Shall we hop in and just ride her 30 yards, 40 yards? I think we could actually roll over this C8 Corvette over here.
Oh, I didn't even see that there.
Dude, we've even got the Rolls Royce out here, the dailies.
I call that the early morning. That's my before noon car.
Right. There is a tree. Good.
A little tip for the Jeep guys. Any parking lot you go to and you see an opportunity to Jeep things, you Jeep things. It's natural.
I think it's too cold out for the exhaust to start a brush fire, so we're good.
I don't know. This thing shoots flames if you floor it long enough.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Long enough?
Just redline it, ping it, you know.
That's funny. I think that's funnier. Is this a spec on GT4 or is this like an aftermarket vinyl? Got the old SL on BBSs. Sick. Ladies and gents, that was fun. We had quite a bit of activities going on. So there were two main like parts. There was inside and outside. Outside was getting pretty busy, so we were actually parked in for a little bit there, but we ended up leaving on time, which was perfect. The inside was sick. So I hadn't been to Platinum since they did the like 3 tall lifts, triple stack, if you will. So that was really cool to see all the cars. There was like one section that was just all Porsches, and we did see a 981 GT4, which seeming to be my dream car at the moment. Maybe not a GT4, maybe a Cayman S. We'll see. It's cool to see all those cars in person. And like I said, I was like deprived of car stuff because it's been 30 degrees and it's the middle of, early February here in Michigan. So when there's an opportunity to see cool stuff in the winter in Michigan, you take it. If you guys enjoyed the video, want to see more car stuff coming up soon, make sure to hit subscribe, hit the like button for the algorithm. We're trying to hit 25,000 subscribers on the channel. We're close. We're closing in. So appreciate every single one of you. Until next time, ladies and gents, we'll see you.